Welcome to this tutorial on how to sort best places state comparison, a valuable tool for comparing different states in the United States based on various factors. To get started, go to the Best Places website and click on the State Comparison tab. First, select the states you want to compare by typing their names in the search box and choosing them. From the drop-down list you can compare up to 4 states at a time. Once you have selected the states, click on the Compare button to proceed. The comparison page will display various categories such as cost of living, crime rates, education, and climate. To sort the states, click on the category you are interested in and the states will be rearranged in order from best to worst or vice versa, depending on the category. For example, if you click on the cost of living category, the states will be sorted based on their cost of living index, with the state having the lowest cost of living at the top and the state with the highest cost of living at the bottom. You can also sort the states based on other categories such as median home price, population density, and air quality. To make the comparison more meaningful, you can also use the weighting feature, which allows you to assign more importance to certain categories. For instance, if you are looking for a state with a low cost of living and a high level of education, you can assign more weight to these categories and the states will be sorted accordingly. In addition to sorting, you can also use the filtering feature to narrow down the comparison to specific factors. For example, you can filter the states based on their climate, with options such as cold, mild, or hot. This feature helps you to quickly identify the states that meet your specific requirements. Best practices for using the Best Places state comparison tool include starting with a clear idea of what you are looking for in a state, using the weighting and filtering features to customize the comparison, and considering multiple categories to get a comprehensive view of each state. By following these steps and using the tool effectively, you can make informed decisions when comparing different states and find the best place to live, work, or retire.